What is up, guys? So, something a bit different. We are here at the Disneyland Hotel for a little staycation, legitimately one night, and kind of booked what they're calling a 2-bedroom connecting suite. So it's not necessarily a full 2-bedroom suite, so that means we have 2 doors to the hallway and a connection door. So this would be like a 1-bedroom suite here, and that'd be an individual room, but they're connected, so 2-bedroom connecting. So we're going to do a little room tour for that. So, from the front door, we're going to turn left into the first bathroom. So, it's a half bath, a little bit of space, storage, mirror, hello. Coming from that, we're going to wait to go straight. We're going to go to the right. The first thing on our right is a closet, and it's a pretty good sized closet. Then that continues into the first of the 2 bedrooms. To the right, we have another mirror, then another closet, same size as the other one, into a full bath. So we have a shower tub combo with the shampoos and such on the side, a full sink with H2O products, lots of towels, a little bit of storage underneath, mirror again, second mirror, nice little makeup mirror, and then a toilet room. I love all of the artwork. Okay, coming out, we're going to continue past, realistically, in my opinion, a makeup counter, into the main bedroom on this side. So this is a 2 queen on this side. Picture Walt. I don't know if I can catch it, but there's Mickey's in the spread, sheet spread. Of course, these rooms do have the little music box that lights up on the wall. Fantastic touch. Individual lights for reading. Our view is looking over the pools. A desk. Usually I would have my laptop set up here. We got 3 standard outlets, 2 USB-Cs, 2 USB-As, so plenty of outlets. Lots of storage, TV, 4 outlets there, so we have along that wall so far 7 outlets without USBs. Plus none back by the bed though. This side? Okay, so I'm not crazy about that. I like to have my phone on the bed or right next to the bed. And we got 2 outlets here. That's as close as you get to the bed. So, we're going to continue back. There's the door we entered. This brings us into a little wet bar with mini fridge and a Keurig coffee maker. 2 outlets there. More storage and a TV. Nice little table. They do room service here, so we are going to try that out also. Good little seating space. I imagine this is a, yep. So another bed right there. So 3 beds in this one side already. Again, pool view. Not a ton of outlets though in this space over here. Oh, there we go. There's 4. So then this continues into what would be the master bedroom, technically, of the 2-bedroom suite, or just this king size room on the regular side. Still no outlets necessarily at the head of the bed. I imagine because the lights are plugged up that there might be one available, but we'd have to search a little bit for it. Desk with again the same layout of the 322. Second Keurig, so lots of coffee can be made at the same time. Even some tea brews are already up here, so that's perfect with me. Light's not working for whatever reason. Now on this side though, here is our closet. So we have a total of 3 closets. This door though goes to an ADA bathroom. We do have a couple with us that do have a harder time, so no lip to the shower, seat in there, wand and head type. You can roll if you have in a full wheelchair all the way up because of the way the sink is here. Toilet, lots of grab bars, and big space, lots and lots and lots of space.